What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We here about to hop in the vet because we about to go link up with my dog Randy and go to this i8, this BMW i8 meet. So we're gonna go check out some Beamers and maybe get a cool little ride in, man. So hang with your boy and let's get it going. So we out sliding with Randy right now in the i8. Well, I'm in the vet, he's in the i8 up front. We're going to this little car meet. I don't know if it's a BMW i8 only meet, but it's supposed to be a few of them up there. We're just gonna pull up in the vet and do what we do best. Anyways, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's slide. Man, these things look good back to back. I ain't gonna even front, dog. These things look real good back to back, man. Like, I ain't gonna front. I love the i8. I love my vet. I don't know, man. I was thinking about hitting the i8 initially, but who knows, man. Sometime in the future for sure, but we slide for now though. Man, it was a cool little ride. I got a quick little pool for y'all. We in the vet. Pulled up with Ran and a couple of i8s so far. Should be a couple more pulling up soon, man. But you know, we out here though, so let's check it out, see what we got. Okay. Oh yeah, he got the splitter on that joint. Okay, vet. Yeah. Still looks good though. Now the doors go up.
Dude, the settlement, dude. Unfortunately, dude, I feel so bad for that guy, dude. That thing was like $2,700.
Facts.
Oh yeah.
This car that gets
I like
hit, bro,
the,
it's like you lucky you had the splitter because
yeah, I like the
if
little
you would've
side
hit the
skirts
actual
too.
car, anything totals these things. They're like fucking ridiculous to carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Like my
100%.
guy in California, he hit the side a little. They totaled it.
Got the Darwin Pro side skirts.
Yeah, now I'm digging the side skirts, man. I was telling my boy he got to get the side skirts on his joint.
10 of these ever made, bro. I got the
Yeah.
last one. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you looked up. This is fresh.
They're about like 19 grand for the whole kit.
Yeah, that thing
So
fresh.
I got the front bumper and I got this.
Yeah, I was just doing the same thing.
I can't afford the diffuser right now.
No, hell no.
That
Yeah,
thing
no,
is
this thing is
expensive.
fresh though. I can dig it. Yeah, I wish it was like daylight. I would get some good like.
No.
That would have been some good content. We got another i8 pulling up over there.
Would be the Liberty Walk, 100%.
Yeah, the Liberty Walk
Yeah,
is
that's
the most
expensive,
I
man.
just wanna- yeah, you have to do so much work in terms of like
Yeah.
everything else.
It's like you got to probably cut and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Like, I'm
I
good.
like the kid.
They go the other one right here. It is slick.
Yeah, that's
sir.
pretty fresh.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, that back wheel look chunky on that joint.
Facts, bro.
It for sure look chunky. I like that. Damn. That motherfucker fly. What's good with you, man? What's good, bro?
I seen you at Dipped, I think, like
Dipped
like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
Facts.
that's why I met him. So I said his car.
Yeah, I seen you at yeah, like you was, and I was like, I liked your rims. I was like, them must is cold.
Yeah.
Them must hard.
I was at
Super
Dip.
hard.
That's crazy. That's how I said I saw him at Dip.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's
You know?
super crazy.
Trying to get some stuff done. Some
Yeah,
changes.
man, I just got the lights blacked out, the tail lights blacked out, the wheels blacked out. Now I'm about to get the whole, everything gonna be murdered, just black.
You gonna do it
This
black?
this is gonna be like disgusting though.
Yeah,
Just like murder black.
Get the CLS
What's going on,
right.
man?
Yeah, it's gonna be on
Yeah.
Rainbow and
Feel me?
we're about to go there right now.
Got the CLS 63. You can hear the little pipes on it. Yeah, we got the i8s.
Yeah, so I'm about
Got the vet.
man, like in 2 weeks, bro.
Ooh, yeah, that back wheel chunky. Look at this back wheel though. Look at this jump.
Man, he took me for a ride. Ooh.
That thing chunky back there, dog. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, they pulling up sick, man. It's like when the homies is pulling up like this, how could you not want an i8, man? You know, the vet is off to the side. I ain't gonna neglect it. It's still looking really great. Black with the red guts. You see the red just poking up out the top of the moot, you know? But man, we got all foreigns here tonight, man. So we're gonna see what's going on. Yeah, that's
I got
wet.
John too. I want to have fun with it for about
That's
a year.
definitely
Me
wet.
too. Let me have a
They
little
flood.
bit more fun. I just got it.
Doors go up.
How long you had yours?
Big
About
foreigns.
a year and a half.
Thing wet, boy. Is golly. That's how you pull up. Yeah, thing's wet. Oh God. Great. Gotta see the lineup though. Woo-wee. Y'all killing. Killing. Ooh. Y'all peeped the lineup, nigga. Ooh, shit. Motherfuckers wet. Good joint. Just pulled up to the meet. Homies got the doors up. That's how they feeling. Oh wait, and we gotta kind of be on like a. Wait, we got some whips. We got the lamb over there. All type of little joints. The vet fit right in actually. I ain't got even front. It fit right in. That joint fresh. Joint dog. Damn. The homies better get this shit right. I got the lineup going. Got the Lamb. Got the Mustang. Feel me? Got the Huracan. We can just take a walk around this joint real quick and see. They ain't about to get cracking. Got the Huracan, that green, lime green thing, wrapped it. That's pretty sick. I like that. Got the Camo 63. Oh, you see the lights on that joint? Okay, I can dig that. Let's see. Got the white seats in that joint. Okay. I dig the color on this Huracan. I think it's sick. Got the little camo bands or whatever. That's a hard wrap on that 3 Series right there.
Touching that picture, B. Hey, Jose. This one I was telling you about. The 602 turbo.
That shit crazy. Got the lack on it. Twin turboed out the game. You know, I have never even seen the new Supras in person before. And we got like 2 of them right here. I like the white one because it has like a green type reflection. This green one is a nice color too. Too bad we gotta stay on this cropped in screen. But at least we get to get some type of light. What y'all think about these 2 little Supras? I like the, they both seems like they have, like they have the same body kit or whatever. This one looks a little bit fatter than this one. I dig it though, man. What y'all think about it? I like the side skirts. Yeah, I'm digging it. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Got the Huracan out here. Got the Rari pulling up 4088. That joint crazy. Look at that. That joint wet. Oh my god, look at the green on that bitch. Yeah, that green go crazy. Got the exposed carbon. Oh my god, look at the green on this bitch right here. Look at the carbon on it. Got the 1016. Industries carbon kit. Godly.
Sick.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah. That green is it. Oh my God, what y'all think about this, dog? Let me know in the comments below, dog. This thing go crazy. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. It's time to get the rims off the Camaro. I know I've been bull crapping, but I had literally just paid the car note like last month, right before I got the Corvette. So I was like, I'm gonna just keep it for the rest of the month, but I'm actually just really ready to proceed and try to get rid of that thing. So I'm gonna snatch the wheels off today, put the stock wheels on there, get it cleaned up, and probably go get an appraisal or something. If we get a good enough offer, hey, then it's out of here. So let's do what we gotta do and get some things done to get where we wanna be, man. I love the Vet, but if anything, I'm gonna trade it for a Z06 or i8, man. It's that simple. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So this is how it look in here, man. I got a car seat base right there. I got a tire right there. I got two in the back. I know I'm about to get a bunch of comments like, bro, why do you got the tires in there like that, bro? Hey, man, you got to get the job done however you can, man. My truck is in the shop right now, so it is what it is, man. I don't have the garage, unfortunately, yet, but sooner, actually, go ahead and go, because you trying to race me. But we're gonna go get some gloves, because I don't have any gloves right now. I don't have nothing right now. I can't wait to get my garage, dog. It's crazy. I need all my tools, everything right there. Hey, man, this might be the last time we see this thing with these wheels on there like that. Pretty sure it is. I'm actually ready to get it going, man. I've been trying to avoid it, but I don't know, man. To get what I want and where I want, I gotta get out of this. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we pulled up to the Auto Mall, Wheels and Tires, man, and get our tires switched out. Quick 20 bucks, and we're back on our way, throwing those stock wheels on this daddy right here. We just picked these up for like 200 bucks, so that saves us some money. We're gonna try to sell these rims, because these are definitely not gonna fit on the Vet. I know most of you guys want to see it, and I want to see it happen, but I just don't think they're gonna fit on, especially with this big meaty tire. But don't want 22s on a Corvette, so we'll just see what we can do there. But it's time to get this thing back to stock, cleaned out, cleaned up, and off to whatever dealer wants to buy it, man. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. The only bad thing about it is that I got a little crack in the windshield there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I definitely got a crack in the windshield. That's the only thing that's probably gonna bring my my appraisal down. But other than that, everything on the car is A1, so we'll see. And they switched that out fast. I'm glad I came to this one. Any other place, I would have been waiting a long little time. Got them all switched out real quick. Oh, thank you, man. Got them all switched out. It's actually looking clean still with the stocks. I didn't think it was gonna look still clean, but it is what it is. Let's load these things up and get up out of here. Now that we got the Camaro cleaned out, we can get this Little Miss Bike Life right here. Get our little Harley skills up. Mama Lee. She said she ready to pop clutch and all that. Got it. Ooh. Choppers on Guru. So alrighty, guys, we got the wheels changed out, came back to the house. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We had a ball last night with my dog Ran. Yeah, the doggy. She looking at the doggy, y'all. We had a ball with my dog Ran last night, man, and the i8s, man, they was going crazy. So I'm hoping to get some real dope content, because we are going to be linking back up with them pretty soon. So say hi. say hello. But yeah, I'm gonna head out to the city tomorrow, get some more little things done to the bike. I should have a GoPro tomorrow. I should. So maybe we'll get you guys some good content. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.